The board has decided that Acme Inc. should have a new phone system. Let's just say the old one was getting a little long in the tooth. But technology has changed a little since their last upgrade, so the Acme board asks one of its guys, Bob here, to put the word out to see who comes a-calling. The big legacy providers pounce, asking quite a hefty price to install Acme a fully configured, hardwired system in a shiny, really cool box. Neat, huh? Bob's not so sure. If something went wrong, that box would be a total mystery, and Acme would be stuck with an immobile, expensive, fixed-capacity box that can't be easily upgraded, expanded, or integrated. Great, says Bob. Just great. Luckily for Bob, M5 Networks has a smarter solution that'll get him out of the box and into the cloud. By switching to M5's cloud solution, which is fully managed, Bob and Acme can tap into an easy-to-use, integrated, reliable, and expandable solution with a more predictable ongoing cost. M5's unified communications approach leverages the power of mobile technology, so you can truly work from anywhere, while our metric-packed contact center capability can be bundled in with the package. The M5 portal makes it easy, so anyone can be a system administrator, easily managing company phone data and systems from an easy-to-use desktop dashboard. Or just double-tap the question mark button on the M5 phone and get connected to an M5 expert to help with whatever you may need. Everything's logged, backed up, safer, and more secure. Plus, M5 Connect integrates the best CRM and ERP solutions, so your phone system is front and center of your sales, marketing, and service strategy. And unlike other on-premise or unmanaged solutions, M5 offers an unparalleled experience with implementation, configuration, training, and support. We listen carefully to our clients' suggestions and even try many of them out in M5 Labs. Finally, M5's system is future-proof too, because the only thing worse than an expensive new box is an expensive out-of-date one. With its new box-free phone system floating in the cloud, Acme's buzzing like it never used to. And one call to M5 later, Bob, who used to be just a guy, is now a legend. M5 Networks. You focus on the call. We'll take care of the system.